welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for waiting for me, from everybody from YouTubers, subscribers, and everyone. Thank you for coming back to my channel. I got one physical media and two of social media. My new releases are now in. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and give it a like. Comments below. Push that notification button if you want more. And of course, make sure you ring the bell as well. The first release that I have gotten since everybody is going gaga over. Yes. Movies and Sue. Thank you so much for Sue to recommend this movie for me. Don't worry, darling. If you want to pause this video, you can read the synopsis of the movie. Let's unbox this one. And yes, it is also an unboxing video. The new releases. I'm going back next week. And see what else I can get. No artwork. And this is one disc. Thank you so much, Sue. It is a Warner Bros. Title from WB. Thank you so much for recommending this movie for me. Like I said, if you want to pause the video and read the synopsis, it is an R version. The minute is 1:23. So thank you for Sue so much for giving me the recommend of my movie. Next up, I'm going to unbox. It came early since it will be released at the end of the month of January. It finally came. My franchise collector's edition Halloween Ends include deleted extended scenes, Blu-ray and DVD, and additional code of Halloween Ends. So if you want to pause this video, you can read the movie itself. And of course, bonus features on the bottom. Now, let's unbox this, shall we, to add to my collection. Sometimes you gotta wrestle with the plastic. Ooh, okay. So if you want, you have your own Berry copy. Here's the additional code. And the flip side as well. If you want to scan anything, free movie to scan. One DVD and one Blu-ray. Ready? Of course, I did watch this one on Peacock. It was a free movie, so that's a good thing I got it. Next up, thank you so much for everybody, including from Horror Punk, from Brian to recommend this movie to me at my local Walmart. A collector's series, Blu-ray and Digital, Silent Night and Deadly Night collection. 3, 4, and 5. We all know the spine looks perfect. No damage to it, of course. Push it down. If you want to, like I said, you can read this if you want to pause. Also, the movie itself. This is 4 hours and 26 minutes of this movie. Now, from Halloween Ends, the minutes are 1 hour and 51 minutes long. And let's unbox this one, shall we? Yes, 3 really R movies are finally recommended from everybody's YouTube channels. Thank you so much. Like I said, you gotta wrestle with this plastic. Thank you so much for recommend these movies. I'm going back next week, and I'll let y'all know what I'm about to get. Ooh. Thank you, Brian. Thank you, Horror Punk. If you're watching. If you want to scan and or the digital code. So we got 3, 4, and 5. And that is it. New releases and unboxing video. Thank you so much for Movies and Sue. And thank you, Horror Punk. So, we got 1 physical and 2 new releases. And I just upgrade my sleep covers. Yes, thank you for doing my sleep covers. So, yes, we got a little mini U-Haul. Actually, it's like this. And of course, the digital code. Scan as well. Same with this. Thank you, everybody, and thank you for watching the Master of All Movies. the DVD collector. And also, I'm going to throw in the movie critic. Yes, I am a DVD critic. Actually, it's a movie critic. Both. So here's the mini series of unboxing new releases. Now, I'm going back to Walmart and see new hot releases are coming out in my way at my local Walmart store. Thank you so much, everybody. So please subscribe and like. Push that notification bell if you want more videos. And more upcoming attractions of movies, of the Blu-ray itself, and physical media. Thank you for enjoying my first annual rated R horror section of that movie. So ring that bell if you want more. Give it a thumbs up, give me a like, and please use those comments. My videos really support you guys. My videos are like these, needs a ton of comments. So please go down the box down below. Do all the comments all you need from all the videos I have made in the past year. And the year is about to come from my new year resolution of master of all movies. And I will come back. And I will surprise y'all with some goodies. Thanks everybody, and thank you for supporting me. I hope I get more free movies heading my way from everybody on the YouTube channels. So thank you very much to recommend these movies to me. And I'm hoping to watch them by this weekend. If not, then I'll enjoy them for the new year. I have my very first Christmas horror. Okay, everybody. Take care, and thank you for watching this.